So for our first example, we're going to find the limit as x approaches 2 of x squared minus 4 over x squared plus 4. Try to substitute in 2 at first, so we get 2 squared minus 4 over 2 squared plus 4. The numerator will get 4 minus 4. The denominator will be 4 plus 4, and so we'll have 0 divided by 8, which can be done. 0 divided by 8 makes 0, so our letter choice is B. In example number 2, we'll try to do the limit as x approaches 3 of x minus 3 over the quantity x squared minus 2x minus 3. First, try to replace in 3 for x. We'll have 3 minus 3 in the numerator. 3 squared minus 2 times 3 minus 3 in the denominator. The numerator will get a 0. The denominator will be 9 take away 6 minus 3, which is 0. So 0 divided by 0. You can't divide by 0, so we'll have to do some algebra. Take our limit as x approaches 3. Factor the denominator to make x minus 3 times the quantity x plus 1. Reducing the x minus 3's, we'll have the limit as x approaches 3 of 1 over the quantity x plus 1. Replacing 3 in now, we'll have 1 over 1 plus 3 plus 1, which is 1 over 4. Letter choice C. In problem number 3, we have the limit as x approaches 0 of x over x. Again, replacing in 0, see that we cannot divide by 0, so I have to do some algebra. Noticing that x divided by x can be reduced to make 1. So our limit as x approaches 0 is equal to 1, letter choice A. Our fourth example is the limit as x approaches 9 of the square root of x minus 5 minus 2 all over x minus 9. First, try to replace in 9. We'll have the square root of 9 minus 5 minus 2 all over 9 minus 9, which is the square root of 4 minus 2 divided by 0. Again, cannot divide by 0. So we'll have to do some algebra to make the x minus 9 go away. Since we have a radical, we'll go ahead and try to multiply by the conjugate. So we'll multiply by radical x minus 5 plus 2 and radical x minus 5 plus 2 for the denominator as well. Distributing out the numerator, the radical times the radical will make the x minus 5. The middle terms will cancel out, and the negative 2 times 2 will make negative 4. We will not multiply out the denominator because we want to cancel out that x minus 9. As you can see in the next step, our numerator will become x minus 9. And the x minus 9 in the numerator will nicely reduce with the x minus 9 in the denominator as a factor. So our problem goes away, and we're able to substitute in 9 now for our limit. So we'll take the limit as x approaches 9 of 1 over x minus square root of x minus 5 plus 2, replacing in the 9. 1 over square root of 9 minus 5 plus 2, which is 1 over square root of 4, which is 2, plus 2, which makes 1/4, which matches letter choice A. And for our last problem, we're looking at the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of x over the quantity x squared plus 3x. Try to replace in 0. We'll have sine of 0 over 0 squared plus 3 times 0. The numerator is 0 as well as the denominator is 0. Again, since we cannot divide by 0, we'll have to do some algebra work instead. Remembering our properties, we have the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of x over x. So let's go ahead and factor out an x from the denominator. Leaves us with the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of x over x times 1 over the quantity of x plus 3. Since we have sine of x over x, that approaches 1. So we only have to worry about the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 over x plus 3. Replacing in our value of 0 for x, we get the answer of 1 over 3, which matches letter choice B.